Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the physical basics right so keystrokes are accurate. Place your fingers on the home row, relax shoulders, and angle the keyboard so your wrists stay neutral. Make sure caps lock is off unless you need uppercase, and check numlock if using a numeric keypad. Once set, rest your thumbs lightly on the spacebar and bring your eyes to the screen. This positioning reduces errors and speeds the next steps when you begin typing the word. Now type the word deliberately. Press J with your right index, or use Shift plus J for capital J, then with your left pinky or ring finger depending on reach, followed by M with your right index or middle, and finish with B using your left index. Keep motions small and consistent so each key registers. If you err, use backspace once rather than deleting whole words. Once done, glance back to confirm spacing and letter order before moving on. Finish by checking the typed word carefully. Read it aloud to catch transposition errors, and make sure no extra spaces or wrong case slipped in. If mistakes keep happening, slow your typing tempo and do short home row drills for 5 minutes to rebuild muscle memory. If a specific key doesn't respond, try toggling keyboard drivers, reconnecting a USB or Bluetooth link, or swapping keyboards. That resolves most hardware issues and gets you back to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.